most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thickening.
Good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday, we await the approach of clouds and a few showers, especially going into tomorrow and maybe Thursday. Today is sort of a transition day as we take a look at Mechanicsburg. 37. It's not cold everywhere. 37 seems chilly, but remember, yesterday morning, a lot of us were in the 20s and some of us were in the low 20s, and it is a little bit better out there today. Not much, though, in some locations. We'll get into that. We've got kind of a squeeze play happening. Clouds from the west moving in ahead of a front, but also moisture from the east is going to be moving in as well. We're kind of caught between two storm systems today, and this morning temperatures still have dropped to around the freezing mark, if not below that. York down to 30. We've got Lebanon at 32, Allentown at 31, mid-30s in Lancaster and Chambersburg, and Harrisburg still sitting above the fray at 37, 40 in Hagerstown and Philadelphia here today. So we're a little bit warmer in spots than yesterday, but not much. Pretty much still hanging on to that chill, especially when you factor in our hyper-local sites. Look at these WeatherNet temperatures. Manheim Central High School at 29 this morning. There's still spots getting into the 20s. Lidditz at Warwick Middle School at 31. And then meanwhile, west of the river, you take a look at places like Franklin County, Juniata County, Mifflin County. Temperatures are still in the 40s. Waynesboro High School at 40 degrees. Murph Radio in Lewistown at 42 degrees. So yesterday's low officially below freezing, 31. We managed to get to 55 yesterday, which is the normal high for this time of year. So we got back to average yesterday. We thought it would be a more seasonable day, and I think for the most part it is going to be a more seasonable week. As we check out Waynesboro High School on our camera there, the flag pretty much still a little bit of a breeze today, but temperatures will be stuck right around 50, and that's an average. I think areas like Waynesboro west of the river could get into the mid-50s today, while areas east of the river may be stuck in the 40s, and that is all thanks to this east flow. Look at this cloud deck here from this area of low pressure wanting to push inland a bit. Meanwhile, clouds blowing off this front moving east. So we're kind of caught in between two storms. I'll step out of the way so you can see what I mean. Clouds increasing from the west and pushing inland from the east will make for a rather overcast day, and we do have plenty of rain to the west. This front will be weakening, though. We only expect a few showers here perhaps this evening in our western counties and some spotty showers on Wednesday. A lot of clouds the next couple of days, some peaks of sunshine possible, but I think overcast skies will win out. And then the question will be, does this front stall out? Thursday is in question. Watch what happens here on Precision Cast. So we get that squeeze play this morning. Thickening clouds here throughout the day, but notice we stay mainly dry. There may be a stray shower in some of our western counties. And then looking ahead at Wednesday, spotty, light showers, nothing significant, mainly east of the river. And then on Thursday, clouds hang tough, but the rain, at least according to this model, stays to our east. And so if that happens, we expect less than a quarter inch of rain from this whole event. And many of us will get less than a tenth of an inch of rain. So there's just going to be a lot of clouds here and kind of unsettled over the next 3 days during the middle part of the week. But unfortunately, that's not the only model. Check out what another high-res model, the NAM, does Thursday morning. It keeps some rain close, and it wants to linger it here throughout the day. Now, the heaviest is still to the east, but this model may give us at least a little bit more in the way of rain as it wants to draw in more moisture here to the north. Now, I think this is overdoing it a bit. This gives us over an inch of rain, but I do anticipate the possibility for more rain here on Thursday if that front stalls. The extended outlook shows, now this is another model, the European keeps most of the rain to the east. So Thursday right now, even though we're 2 days out, still a big question mark to that front. Now, either way, most models agree Friday looks nice. The front moves on. Saturday will bring some evening rain now into Sunday morning. Most of Easter should be dry. So when we check out your Easter weekend forecast, Friday still looking good, sunny and breezy. Showers likely here on Saturday, and then a few stray showers for Easter Day. But still, most things look pretty decent for the weekend other than the second half of Saturday. Temperatures bounce back to around 60 and a few scattered showers here for Monday. That's a look at the forecast. We'll have more Daybreak coming up next.